Today we're going to learn how to analyze a document. When looking at a visual in social studies, it is important to determine what kind of visual it is. Visuals can include graphs, maps, pictures, charts, and political cartoons. Today we are looking at a map. You can tell it is a map because there are border lines, dots that indicate places, and known country names. Once you've determined what type of visual it is, you will then find and read the title. The title of this map is Egypt, circa 1500 BCE. Next, find the source of the visual and determine where it came from, who created it, and when it was created. Also, look for any other information that would be relevant to the visual. For this map, we can see that the source is at the top of the page. It says that this map was developed by various sources. We cannot get any more information. After reading the source, it is important to search for any fine print located on or near the visual. This fine print can give you extra information or facts about the visual. There isn't any separate fine print on our map. On maps, graphs, and charts, there will often be a legend or a key. This will help you decipher information from the visual. This map does have a key. It describes the colors used on the map with shading. It also shows what each dot represents. There is a scale to help you see how big things are. The next step is to give a visual a read-through. Go over the pieces of the visual. Look at any pictures, numbers, different colors, side information, etc. This will help you understand what the visual is trying to show. The final step when looking at a visual and analyzing is to interpret why the visual was created. What was the creator's purpose in making this visual? Is it reliable? Is it difficult or easy to decipher information? What was the reason that the creator only showed you a certain portion of a map? Or maybe a certain part of a picture? Is there any bias in the visual? In our map, we can see that the creator has specifically shown the Nile River of Egypt only. Then, they split up the regions to show variations in what helped shape Egypt's borders and boundaries. For example, there's the Western Desert, the Eastern Desert, the Red Sea, Upper Egypt, Lower Egypt, and Nubia. The map also helps the reader interpret information like population, and each of the dots in the region represent how big a place would be. The length of the Nile using the scale and the regions that are located and the bolded words all help you determine why this is important.